HTTPS T Love it'd be Super Mug Design Review Premium Quality. Access more than 8,000 packs of templates for mugs ready to print and sublimate today and expand your catalog with designs that your customers will fall in love with. One-time payment and lifetime access to the files. Instant download. Digital product. Drive link. 10 plus GB data. 8 plus thousand files. Photoshop as bonus. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, then visit the description link below or check out my bio. See everything you will get in this pack. White color real hero mug design, back school mug design, Aston Martin mug design, Avengers mug design, Mona mug design, and so many design is here. When purchasing the super pack of templates for mugs, you are going to have super nice designs that do attract it. And without having to spend time doing them. You will have access to editable templates with designs that do sell, no padding files. You will have designs in different themes, from birthdays to Valentine's, and much more. You can easily create your own templates with Photoshop, even if you are not a designer. With the Mug Stencil Super Pack, you no longer have to waste valuable time trying to create designs on your own, waiting to see if your customers like them. With this super pack, you will have a wide and very complete catalog with original designs that your customers will want to buy. 8,000 plus pack of templates in various niches. You will have access to more than 146 packs of templates for mugs, all ordered and classified by theme. They are also fully editable in Photoshop, so you can customize them to your liking. It's just download, print, and sublimate. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, then visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.